Hello, welcome again to RAJR Contractor. This is the part 2 of our project AIC Grande Tower. This is the master bedroom. Ito, yung wallpaper na yan, babaklasin namin at itatiles namin siya ng decorative tiles. This wall will be painted also. Pagkatapos yung flooring na wood parquet, i-remove namin yan. And watch nyo na i-installan namin siya ng 60 by 60 tiles. Keep you updated. Thank you. After a few days later. Hi, it's me again, RAJR. Ngayon, malinis na po yung flooring, baklas na po yung wood parquet. Ready for installation na siya ng tiles. Itong wall na to, ready for wall cladding ng brick, stone. Ready for painting na rin ng wall. On the other side, itong flooring na to, ang ilalagay namin is tiles na 60 by 60. So, watch nyo po kung paano namin gagawin. Salamat! See you soon! Thank you!